Okay, so by definition, for torque means the product of a force and the lever arm distance, a twisting force that can cause rotation.
So a good example of torque within a common household item is with the stapler. So if you apply the same amount of force to the end of the stapler as to the closest point of rotation, it will be a lot easier at the end because of the lever arm and it's further away than it will closer to the point of rotation. Now really quickly we'll show you up close just what it looks like and why it's easier to apply the same amount of force out here and actually get it to work than it is to apply it here.
Okay, so this is what happens when you apply the force from a larger distance away from the pivot point.
Easy.
And now this is what happens when you're applying the force much closer to the pivot point.
Hard. And she was trying to apply the same amount of force too.
Yeah, so the farther away the force is applied to the pivot point, the easier it will be to apply that force and make the object work. So the longer the lever arm, the more torque you'll have at the end where you're applying the force. Okay, so torque is also demonstrated here because the farther away you push from the hinge, the easier it is to push the trash can in, whereas if I'm pressing up here, it's like much harder to actually make the flap go in. So if the lever arm distance is longer, it'll be much easier and you'll have to apply much less force.
This is Disney Channel. People be making noise. Scared.
Are you guys doing a torque video right
Yeah, we are twerking.
Yeah.
Twerking.
now? Wow.
Shut up. I like your pants.
And yeah.
So.